Hey folks! In this video, we will set up MarketMaker with MetaTrader 4. First, download and install MetaTrader 4 from your browser. You can skip this if you have MT4 already installed. Open your browser and search for MetaTrader 4 download. Press download for MetaTrader 4 for macOS. Open download destination folder. Double-click MetaTrader 4.pkg.zip. Double-click MetaTrader 4.pkg. Press Continue 2 times. Press Agree. Press Install. Press OK. MT4 will automatically open with some browser pages. Let it all fully load. Press Close. Press Move to Trash to delete the MT4 installer. Again, let MetaTrader finish loading. Be sure that your trading account is live and active. Close the charts and indicators. Leave one chart and make it full screen. Now MT4 is installed and ready for MarketMaker. From here the tutorial continues if you have it already installed. Now we will download the MarketMaker software. Open your browser and navigate to our webshop. Log into your account. Use the code sent to your email. Click on Go to Store. The menu buttons Guide Downloads will be visible in the menu bar only when you buy the keyboard. You can read through the guide to set up your keyboard if you like. You can watch this video or you can read the guide. Both follow the same steps to set up MarketMaker. On this page, you can download all the software. First, download MT4 client. Then, download macOS server. Lastly, download Roboto font. Open your Downloads destination folder. You should have 3 files. MarketMakerTK.dmg, MNTK.exfil, Roboto.ttf. Open Roboto.ttf with Fontbook macOS app. Press Install. Confirm roboto.ttf is installed today. This step is optional. Double-click MarketMaker TK.dmg. Read the license agreement. Press Agree. Drag and drop MarketMaker TK into Applications. Give it time to install. Close the installation window. Open System Settings. Open Privacy and Security. Open Input Monitoring. Press the plus button. Search for MarketMaker TK in Applications. Select MarketMaker TK and press Open. Now the app has the necessary permission to work with your trading keyboard. Close all open windows. Run MarketMaker TK. Press Open. Press Options, then press Allow. This will give MarketMaker permission to show notifications. Double-check that you received notifications from the app. If you see listening for app connections, then the app is all set up. If you have not received notifications from MarketMaker TK, you can turn on notifications in the settings. Open System Settings. Open Notifications. Open MarketMaker TK. Toggle Allow Notifications on. Toggle all notification options on. Close window. Open your Downloads destination folder. We need to place mmtk.x4 in the right folder. In Finder, click on Go, then on Computer. Click on Macintosh HD. Press Command key plus Shift key plus Dot key to show hidden files. Click on Users. Click on your user account. Click on Library. Click on Application Support. Click on Net, MetaTrader 4. Click on Drive_C. Click on Program Files 86. Click on MetaTrader 4. Click on MQL4. Click on Experts. Open your folder with the MMTK file. Drag and drop MMTK into Experts folder. Open your MetaTrader 4. Refresh Expert Advisors in the Navigator window. After refresh, you should see MMTK in the list. Click on Tools. Click on Options. Click on Expert Advisors. Check Allow Algorithmic Trading. Deselect the Disable Algorithmic options. Check Allow DLL and check Allow Web Requests. Add HTTPS 1 to 7.0.0.1 without the quotes. Press OK. Now, we will connect our trading keyboard. Press Command plus Spacebar. Type in Bluetooth and press Enter. Toggle on your MarketMaker and press the pairing button. The pairing button is next to the on/off toggle of your MarketMaker Trading Keyboard. You should see a green light blink on your MarketMaker. Press Connect. Test that it works by pressing Open Calc. Navigate to your MetaTrader 4. Drag and drop MMTK on your chart. Confirm Allow DLL is checked. On the Inputs tab, you can edit the keyboard settings. This gets explained in the walkthrough video. Press OK. Confirm that you receive Trading App Connected notification. If not, please contact customer support. Test that it works by pressing Open Calc. Now your MarketMaker is set up with MetaTrader 4. If you would like an MTK to auto-apply on your chart, follow these steps. Open a new chart. You can see that the top right corner is empty. The MMTK Expert Advisor is not applied when opening a new chart. Drag and drop MMTK on your chart. Press OK. Right mouse button, click on the chart. Hover over Templates and click Save Template. Type in default.tpl. Press Save. Open a new chart and test if it auto-applies the MMTK Expert Advisor. Press Open Calc to confirm it works. Your MarketMaker is now ready for use with MetaTrader 4. Watch the video walkthrough to learn its features. That is all, folks. Thanks for watching.